Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to tell you my review of the Realme X2 device after using more than 200 days of using this phone. So in this video, I'll be covering all the aspects like camera, battery, performance, and what are the problems did I face during this 200 days journey with a Realme X2 phone. So in case if you're planning to buy the Realme X2 phone, try to watch till end of the video so that you can understand exactly what are the problems and what are the good things about this phone. So definitely it's worth watching till end of the video before actually buying the phone and recreating it later. So I'll be telling all my positive and negatives of the phone, and I won't be any biased in any of my reviews. The reason because I do buy all these phones with my own pocket money, and none of the companies they do sponsor me. So definitely all the review about the phone will be honest. And if, in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using currently here, so try to check the links in description. So there is a wallpaper playlist available, and in the playlist you can find plenty of useful wallpapers. So not only wallpaper playlist, there is also PUBG battle and test playlist, and definitely once try checking the playlist links available in the description. Even there is a playlist for the Realme X2 smartphone as well. So as you can see, there are more than 200 videos I uploaded on only on the Realme X2 phone alone. So even recently I have completed the 200 days of using the POCO X2 smartphone and other smartphones. So try to check recently uploaded videos so you can get clear idea about other phones. So let's get back into the business of Realme X2 smartphone. So the first area which I'll be concentrating on is the processor. So processor is a Realme X2 has 730G processor, which is a very good processor, and for the mid-range segment, this is a powerful, I can say, 730G at the moment. So definitely from the time of using this phone until now, I did not face any issues at all while playing games or anything. So no problem with the processor, and not much heating issues also in the Realme X2 phone in terms of a long time PUBG gaming as well. So try to check that video as well in the PUBG battery and test, so you can find very good results. So let me even show you the Antutu benchmark score which I did recently, so you can understand so how much score I am getting. As you can see, so 2,74,000, which is a very decent score for the Snapdragon 730G processor. So anything about 2,50,000 is good for the mid-range segment, I would consider right now in 2020. So this is the overall conclusion about the processor. There is no problem. And next is a battery. So here the things get a little bit weird, because so in the initial days I do get a little bit of more battery life in the Realme X2 phone, and after recently I got the Realme UI update, and which did the things very worst in the beginning, but after a couple of updates as well, they fixed the battery issues, but still there is a little bit of battery issue problem in the Realme X2 device. So not major problem, but there's a minor battery draining issues. So right now I'm getting the screen on time maybe close to 6 hours, but before I used to get screen on time close to 7 hours as well. So considering the 4000 mAh of battery, so which should be okay even if you are planning to buy the phone right now. So 4000 mAh of battery, the 6 hours of screen on time is a decent screen on time, I would consider. So overall, this is one thing which you need to keep in mind. After the Realme UI update, the battery decreased a little bit. So this is another disadvantage. So try to check the playlist also for the Realme UI, so you can find all the videos related to the Realme UI update, whatever it is. So you can check that playlist also. So this is regarding the battery, and charging speed is also no problem. 30 watts charger is also good for the Realme X2. So every mid-range segment, if you're planning to buy, that should have minimum of 25 watts, I would consider right now if you're planning to buy, because you will be using the phone for next 1 year or 2 years. So definitely this should be the minimum set range before buying the phone. So next we have completed the processor and battery, and next is a display. So display is another major thing for the Realme X2 phone. You can see 6.4 inches. It does look a little bit of small, and single hand usage is also easily possible in this phone. So where you can see the 6.6 inches phone, how big the phone is. You can see there's a huge difference between both. Between the Redmi Note 9 and Realme X2 phone, there's a huge difference right now, you can see. So overall, in terms of the display, the phone has a super AMOLED panel, and which looks, the color look pretty good in terms of saturation levels and contrast levels. So overall, I don't have any problem, and the display is so far the good display in this kind of price range segment. So definitely always choose the AMOLED panels. I would suggest you to choose. So these are good thing about the display, no problem. And even the always on display is also working fine. And recently with the update, luckily we got updated with the we got updated with the notifications as well. So we do receive the notification from all the applications. So you can see the icons below this battery percentage bar. So this is another good advantage. So next thing we'll be talking about the Face ID and fingerprint. So fingerprint is also very fast, no problem. Even the Face ID is also very quick from the beginning to till now, as you can see right now, which is also very fast, you can see. So overall friends, if you're planning to buy the Realme X2 phone, definitely you can buy the phone. And in my opinion, after using for this 200 days, I did not have any problem. Only problem is with the battery. And regarding the camera is also very good. So even the night mode shots or zooming shots, which are I taken, which worked pretty good as well in low light and in normal light conditions as well. So this is a low light photo which I have taken, which is also very good. And this is a normal shot. So try to check the other videos where I uploaded regarding the cameras. So there you can find very good interesting results. So you can see this is a night shot which I have taken. So far the best display and best battery and best performance for this kind of price range segment, I can say Realme X2 device. So this is my long term of using the Realme X2 review. So overall I will conclude this video by saying that only the battery is got affected from the beginning to till now, that too because of the Realme UI update only. So apart from that, there is no other issues from the beginning to till now with the phone at all. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also to check the links in description also. So how you can install the LED notification light in the Realme X2 phone. So recently when I uploaded the LED notification light, how you can install in the phone. So don't forget to check that video. That will be very interesting for you all. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.